This is our standard clear float glass versus Opti white glass. I'm going to show you the difference. I'll put them down on our white tabletop. You will notice the standard clear float slightly darkens the colour of the white tabletop, while the Opti white has minimal distortion. So we will do this on a coloured background, this piece of blue splashback. Incidentally, splashback should always be painted onto Opti white glass, and you will notice the standard clear float darkens the colour, while again the Opti white has minimal distortion. And now let's try it on a piece of oak commonly used for tabletops, and again you see the clear float darkens the colour, while the Opti white has minimal distortion. Now sometimes it can be hard to tell the difference if you don't have the two types of glass side by side like we have here. So the easiest way is to look at the edge of the glass. You will notice very mild green tint on the Opti white, while the commonly used clear float has a much deeper green.